My day was amazing because I have a Tuff Shed now. Just like that. I'm probably a 20 on a scale of 1 to 10. I can't wait to not have to haul my tools in and out of the garage every day that I want to work. I'm just looking forward to having my own space. Such a mess. I actually did 0 heavy lifting today. It was amazing to watch people work on my house and me not have to do any work. Labor is very expensive. I know why now, because the job itself is hard and it's taxing. I have seen Tuff Shed installed in a couple places and it just seems like a really quality product. It wasn't just a shed. Like, it could be something really beautiful and functional as well. The placement of the shed, I wanted it to be easy access to our driveway so I can easily back our truck in, unload my materials, and roll it right into my shop. I was actually really surprised by how quick the install was. Seeing them install it and get it in place, I am so happy with everything, and I love my new shed. I was so impressed with the process. They had a nice little kit for me. They had it painted in the shop. They did some touch-up paint before they installed it, and then it went together really quick. I've got a lot of work to do. I'm going to be doing insulation, drywall, making it nice and functional, cabinets, pegboard, the whole 9 yards. I knew that I wanted to work with a company that was amazing and easy to work with and provided a quality product, and that's Tuff Shed. I'm Nicole with Simply Aligned Home, and I love my Tuff Shed building.